Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shanaria Evans.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching our videos, and if you've not subscribed, we ask you to subscribe kindly and always hit the notification button, and you'll always see a new video whenever we post. So today we are at this lovely amazing place in South Coast. It's called SHEDRICK Falls. It's at SHIMBA Hills. And we're going through a small hike up and down, and you're going to see the waterfalls. We're going to take a small swim. So come and enjoy with us. Thank you. We are finally at the waterfall. Look at how beautiful this place is. Shani has taken she's even done a cartwheel, and we're trying it. Though the water is a bit shallow, so we can't swim, but it's really, really amazing. It's cold, it's wonderful, like it's really refreshing. And we are here to have a good time, so enjoy. Thank you.
Look at how clear this water is.
You want to drink it?
No.
So guys, can you subscribe to the YouTube channel? Thank you so much for following us. Thank you so much for always commenting and liking. Keep on sharing, and
stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Bye.
So guys, today's hike was very tiring.
Yeah, here, man, it was very exhausting. It was fun. We got down there to the waters. It was totally worth it. But man, you have to be fit. It's really exhausting, but worth it.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I did.
It's quite challenging, right?
It's very challenging. You have to be really fit. You have to wear proper shoes because it's sliding and all the uphill and downhill. But I know, like you're just panting. You have to have your water.
Going down is easy, but coming up is very difficult.
Would you want to do it again?
Maybe.
With your friends, but your friends will say, "Oh, we are tired."
Yes.
So anyway, so far so good. We enjoyed the hike. We enjoyed, like, the waterfall was amazing. The water was so refreshing. It's cold, but it's just like there's just something really nice and beautiful about it.
It's calm. It's
yeah. And our model here, God, I just have to upload some of those beautiful, nice photos.
Oh my God!
Amazing. We had a good time. So Linda, thanks for joining us.
Anytime, I'll do this again.
Any other time. Guys, subscribe kindly. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Bye.
Bye.